Let's have a look at the Tozo HA1 over-ear headphones. Now, as you can see, there's the box, normal packaging from Tozo. A bit more about the different color combinations on the side there, and a bit more information about the headphones, which we'll talk about now. Let's take a look and pop it open and see what comes in it. So you've got starting with an instruction booklet, which is pretty standard. And then we've got the headphones. So I like this, there's no frills headphones, which is great. You've got the wired connection in case you want to use it just there. And you've also got your USB-C charging cable just there as well. Open it up. So here are the headphones. Now again, these are budget, no frill headphones, as you can see. But straight away you can feel the nice build in them. So what's my first impressions? Well, there's the headphones there. So they've got a plastic to them, but it feels very hard and very durable. As you can see, they're expandable, like that and like that as well. The cushioning actually feels quite good on the top here. It feels quite nice and quite plush. The earphones actually feel really nice as well and feel good. You've got the controls there at the side, turn on, volume up, volume down, USB-C charging as well. And you've also got your EQ settings and noise cancelling on there as well. Again, they feel very, very nice for an inexpensive pair of headphones. There they are there. Now in the headphones themselves, so these have 70 hours playtime in headphones. They've got Bluetooth 5.4, and again, they've got the wired connection just there. So you can use a 3.5mm jack. Now I like these as well. They've got a 40mm composite diaphragm in there as well, composite titanium plated diaphragm. So this is going to enhance the resolution when you're actually listening to them for sound. They've also got ENC noise quality, so you can use ambient noise and interference through reducing it. You've got EQ settings as well. So the custom EQ button allows you to switch between 3 custom EQ settings, which I really like. It's not very normal to have that on headphones. That's just there. So you can use, and you've also got low latency gaming mode as well, which allows you to enjoy your experience. There they are just there. So you've also got the Tozo app you can use with these, which enables you to hear and listen to music as you go. They've also got simultaneous device connection as well, so you can have multiple devices playing all at the same time. There's Tozo Simple, so they're very, very good headphones. It'd be very interesting to test the ENC out when I'm making phone calls with these.